Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide message notifications on Instagram. So guys, if you want to hide message notifications on Instagram, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, here I will give you two ways which help you to turn off or silence the notification of messages on Instagram. So guys, the first way is that you have to simply open your profile and then tap on three lines button, and then you have to go to notifications, and from here go to messages, and from here if the message notifications are on, you have to simply turn them off. So guys, turn off all these notifications, and after this the message notifications will not be showing to you on Instagram. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to apps, and then go to Instagram from here, and from here tap on notifications, and from here you have to simply turn off notifications from here. So I simply tap on turn off notifications from here, and then you have to simply save this information on your device. So I simply turn off this toggle for all notifications, and after this no more notifications will be showing to you on Instagram messages. So guys, this is the way to hide notification of messages on Instagram. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.